Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you are updated when I release new videos and tutorials here on my channel. Now today I'll be showing you guys how I created this eye look. It was very quick and very simple. If you would like to learn how I did this, then continue watching. So the first thing I'll be doing is priming my eye with MAC's Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And I like to go over and set that with some transparent powder. So my first thing is to go in with this orange as my transition color. And I'm going to be going in a stamp-in motion. And that's how you're going to build up the intensity of the orange. And to build up some depth in that orange, I'll be going in with this deeper burnt orange right here. Next, I'm going to be going in with a little bit of concealer and cutting the crease. Now I'm going to be going into this tealish blue, and this is from one of those Coastal Scents palettes that I had, and I am going to be applying that on the mobile lid. Then I will be going in with a little bit of a deeper blue. Now I'll be moving into my artist palette by Anastasia and taking this navy blue right here. It's called Blue Velvet. Now with a detailer brush, going over top of the crease with Punch Fuchsia. So I'm going to take a little bit of glitter glue and place that directly onto the lid. Makeup for Melanin Girls palette using this blue. NYX Love You So Moochie palette and taking this yellow right here. So because there's so much blue on the eye, I'm going to go in with Love Bug by COLOURPOP.